best attorney for your workers' compensation case in Orangeburg, South Carolina. My name is Kenneth Berger, and I made this video not to tell you that I'm the best. In fact, it would be unethical to make those kinds of claims. Instead, I wanted to share with you some of the things that I hope you consider in choosing your workers' compensation attorney. You first want to make sure it's someone that you like, that you'd be willing to have over to your home for dinner. In other words, is this someone that you're going to like and trust enough to represent your interest effectively before the Workers' Compensation Commission? You're going to be spending a significant amount of time with your lawyer, at least if they're taking an active interest in your case, and you should be able to respect your lawyer, not only as an advocate, but just as a human being. Another thing that you're going to want to do is check in on that attorney's experience with workers' compensation cases. Even if the attorney's been practicing a long time, it doesn't mean that he or she has a lot of experience with workers' comp. So ask them how much of their practice is devoted to representing injured workers like you, and if they had cases like yours in the past. And the third thing that I really hope folks do is to find out what other people are saying about that attorney. Do other workers' comp clients from Orangeburg have positive things to say? Are other attorneys in the state referring this lawyer workers' comp cases because they trust him? What's their reputation like? So again, when looking for the best workers' compensation attorney for your case, there's a lot to consider. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. I promise you, I'm not going to try to convince you that I'm the best. I'll simply tell you what I do, the reasons I represent injured workers, and try to provide a little more insight on how you can go about making the right decision. You can also request free copies of my books right here on the website. There's an entire chapter on workers' comp because we want to make sure that your rights are protected. We want to make sure your voice is heard, and we just look forward to helping you in any way that we possibly can.